CrayCrayCovers.
So I hope you like the intro now. It's a little quick one, right? 2 seconds, best 2 seconds of your life, like I said, you know, in the description of the intro video itself. So go and watch that. But anyway, before you do that, or go do that and then come back, today I had my CB family help me out pick another song. Here, let me turn on some more lights. But I had them help me pick out a song. And for today's song, I said pick out a letter and a number, and they did. And they picked out the letter D, Trevor, and 8, Sharice. So, today's song is Deadbolt by Shine Bright Baby. And that kind of goes along with, just listen to the lyrics, and it kind of goes along with how I'm trying to live my life now. So, yeah, here we go. That's the song for today's CrayCrayCovers. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next week.